Here we are in AutoCAD. As you can see, we have individual lines making up this lot boundary. We're going to use the PEDIT command with the join option to turn them into a single polyline. And we're done. So let's have a look. We now have one polyline. Let's undo that and use the join command instead. Select the object, select the other objects, and let's see what we've got. Unfortunately that didn't work. The rightmost line was rejected by join. Here we are in BricsCAD using the same DWG file. As you can see, we have individual lines, and we're going to use PEDIT Join. As you can see, this works just exactly the same as AutoCAD. The only difference is where the options pop up on the screen. And there we have it, one polyline. Let's undo that and use the join command. Join, select an object, select the others, enter, and there we have it, one polyline.